New product unboxing. Today we got some, I believe they are A-arm protectors. I know, because I'm the one that ordered them. Let's open these up. I need 2 hands. Alright, so here are the A-arm protectors. There's the myth going around that the welds are ugly in the front. They're not the best looking. It's also not too bad. So this is not made out of bent beer cans. It's pretty solid. And then it comes with some hardware. So straightforward. This is the left. If you're looking at it from the front, this is the left side, and this is the right side. Solid products. I got it in black. I think they only sell it in black since these are aftermarket. The OEM ones were, I believe, aluminum or silver. So let's get these installed. Before I install these A-arm protectors, I'm gonna add to the bottom of this, since it's prone to getting scratched up, with some Sliplo. Sliplo is basically a universal bumper spray guard. Okay guys, not hard for me. So basically what these are, this is made in such a way so that you can flex it. You can also cut it just so it can fit. And it has adhesive on the back. So I'm gonna measure it out, and I can, as you can see, for the bottom I can line it up to, you know, roughly around these areas. Probably cut it around the openings. Maybe add one there, piece. Another piece of Sliplo right there. And you can even like put pieces around here, like so that it protects it. And it also comes with some adhesive promoters. 3M Automotive Adhesion Promoter. So basically you open this up, wipe it on there, stick this bad boy on there, and you got your protector protected. When you apply this, you want to make sure that it isn't quite at the edge where it's rolled. You want it a little bit after that, so that the front end doesn't pick up wind or dirt, where it's going to be like an overhang. See, if it was like that, you would have an overhang in the front, which you don't want. So you have to recess it back a little bit, like to about there, and you'll be good to go. So I just wanted to mention that the quality, the material on Sliplo is extremely durable. It's solid in terms of the density of the plastic, but it's also very easy to manipulate. So if it scrapes, it's definitely going to scrape this and not this, and the front bumper, which I will install as well. Going to set it up. This isn't yet taped on there, it's just giving me the rough idea of where I want to place it. More Sliplo, and then all the way to the end here, and then I might put some around this area, but we'll see. So right now I'm gonna wipe this down with some adhesive promoter, basically like alcohol. Wipe it all over the bottom, clean it up really nicely, and then put the Sliplo. Now, as you can see, this is protected right on the edge. So when you reach or approach inclines, this rubber piece here is going to take it. It's always going to be there to protect you, like your bodyguard. So if you want to add this to your A-arm protector, this is a great alternative. Like I said, I might add some here if I have extra, but so right now I'm satisfied with this amount of protection for the A-arm protectors with the Sliplo. Installation tips: we've got M6 by 12 screws and M5s by 12. So these are the M6, these are the M5s. It's got lock nuts, so I'm gonna do this side first, and let's go. Need some blue Loctite, just a dab. Damn. Put the screws in up here, over here, and so far it looks really good. So there you have it. I've got it installed. I know one of the main concerns is clearance when you turn the wheel all the way to the left and to the right. As you can see, this is turned all the way to, well, as far as it'll go to the left when you're driving it, and it clears pretty nicely. So there's plenty of clearance down here, plenty of clearance up here, and plenty of clearance in the back, as well as inside here, a lot of clearance, and in the back right here, a lot of clearance. So I know that was the main concern when I was purchasing it, was is there a lot of clearance, and there is. See, plenty of space, and this is turned as much as I could to the left. Well, there you have it. Simple install, just these two small screws, one down here, and the Sliplo. So here's a full walk around of how it looks. I think it looks pretty stout. So from the back you don't see that big hole over here. You see like that closed up space. So from the front to the back. Dang. So as you look at it from the back, you can tell it looks a lot more beefy, because that whole area from here to here is closed up.